Hi, in this video I will talk about myself. I'm Vartika Sinha, based out of Gurgaon. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. I worked as finance professional for 11 years with Coca-Cola and General Electric. Around early 2018, I decided to quit my corporate career and pursue my interest in art and environmental activities full time. I was really scared and clueless, directionless. I had no idea what I was up to and how I'm going to pursue it. Most importantly, I was scared about financial independence because I started working when I was 22 years old, and since then I was financially independent. I had absolutely no idea how I'm going to support myself and support this decision financially. But I just followed my instinct because in one of my meditative practices, when I was really in a state of confusion, I heard this inner voice that just go for it, abundance awaits, and I will be taken care. Only this kind of reassured, but again, I had no idea how I was going to pursue it. And most importantly, I had no background of any artistic career or any interest in art earlier, or environment space. In fact, when I was a kid, I never drew or painted also. So you can say yes, I had no idea about art. So how I developed interest in art, I was doing a project for my son in mid 2017. It was a school project on colors, and that's when I found little interest in colors, and I started to teach myself how to draw, how to paint. So after I quit my corporate career, I joined as a volunteer with an NGO, and we built Butterfly Park from the scratch, and our cause and efforts were also supported by a lot of corporates, including National Geographic. So our effort was supported by people in the community. It was an immense learning about and understanding the ecology, and also the measures that we can take in restoring our balance. And that's when I attended a workshop. That was my turning point, when I attended a workshop by Dr. Babu. It was about conservation in urban living. And then it struck me that all of this is solvable, and it has to start from each one of us. So, long story short, and I thought that, all right, how do I start from myself, from my own home? And that's when I started to research on the philosophy of zero waste and activities and actions, little actions that can contribute in the zero waste lifestyle. I started to learn, teach myself, and also teach members in our community. That is what I found very empowering. And as my interest broadened, in this environment space, I also realized that I have to work on the consciousness of, of course, uplifting my consciousness and consciousness of fellows, our kids in the society. And I got a chance to write an article on sustainability. So I published an article for NCERT. It is there in their environmental studies books. And community also encouraged me to showcase the little activities that I'm doing in my space. So I started to write about it, share it with public at large. Now, when I was doing all of this, I realized that this will make sense only when I uplift my consciousness and help in uplifting consciousness of my fellows. So even if I'm following it perfectly, it doesn't matter if nobody else is doing it. Or so then I was convinced that it is okay to take these measures imperfectly, but it has to be done at a scale. So I started to share these tools of self-improvement or uplifting consciousness with my close group of people, friends and family. They found these tools very effective, and then an idea occurred to me to incorporate these tools in this meditation series, So these meditation series will give you an idea of meditation, as well as these tools will help you in thinking, becoming more centered, and at least become conscious about what's going on. So that was the whole idea. And why I'm doing this, I'm just doing it to help myself. That is the bottom line. And I firmly believe that we all have a uniqueness. The idea is to explore the uniqueness and offer it for the greater cause. And in this journey, I hope you get a chance to explore your own uniqueness and offer it effortlessly without any load. And I hope you collaborate with Ubuntu. We need more hands and legs in making it successful. And more importantly, use these tools in your own development and help your family and friends. That is the whole idea. There is no other hidden objective, and it begins with self-healing. And I hope you find these tools useful. Thank you.